Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, me here Fatma. Before starting our lecture, subscribe my channel Speak Up by Fatma. The topic we discuss about cell theory, components of cell, structure, plant and animal cell. Let's start. What is cell? Basically हम सेल किसको कहते हैं? सेल इज द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. It is the smallest units that can carry out all activities of life. Cells are building blocks of multicellular organisms. Which of these cell organelles is absent in animal cells and present in plant cell? The correct answer is cell wall. The word cells come from Latin cella, means small room. Main difference about plant cells and animal cells also important for short question. Plant cells have a cell wall on the outer layer, whereas animal cells only have a cell membrane. Next, which of the following statement is true about the cell wall? Cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose. Which of the following statement is true about cell theory? The cell theory does not apply to virus. Next, dash is the study of the cell, its type, structure, function and its organelles. The correct answer is cell biology. Next, which object was studied by Robert under his microscope magnified 30x for the discovery of cell? The correct answer is slice of cork. In 1665, Robert Hooke made thin section of cork and observed them under self-made compound microscope. Branches present in trees, and when you cut a thin slice from there, it is known as a cork slice, means empty space and contained by walls. Next, who discovered microscopic organism under his microscope? Antoine van Leeuwenhoek, one of the first scientists to use a microscope and identify microbes. He invented the microscope because he wanted to observe living cells from the pond water. Next, which object are used by Antoine van Leeuwenhoek as lens in his microscope? Grains of sand. Leeuwenhoek discovered a microbial world in a drop of pond water. Leeuwenhoek observed the blood cells and sperm cells of animals. The first man to observe life under microscope was Robert Hooke. Next, Robert Hooke published the discovery of the cell in his book Micrographia, Small Drawing. Next, theory of cell lineage was proposed by Virchow. Next, Robert Hooke observation of honeycomb-like structural unit under microscope is cell wall. Which of the following is not acceptation of cell theory? Bacteria. Next, the protoplasm theory staining protoplasm as the physical basis of life was proposed by Prunkiji. Protoplasm while observing sap of plant cell. He observed sap of plant cell. Next, this cell organelles is responsible to extract energy from carbohydrates to form ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. The correct answer is mitochondria. Next, name the non-membrane bounded organelle exclusively found only in animal cell. The correct answer is centriole. Centriole play a role in organizing microtubules that serve as skeletal system. Next, in the plasma membrane of a few animals, the presence of cholesterol enables the membrane to stay fluid more easily when the temperature of the cell drops. Next, this organism is not an example of eukaryotic cell. Escherichia coli, E. coli, also written as. The main site of different types of cellular activities is cytoplasm. The correct answer is cytoplasm. In the end, this is the motivational quote. Irony is the gateway of reflection and the joy of wisdom by Anatole France. I hope so you can understand my presentation and lecture also. If you have any query, you may ask in the section box. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.